You're now watching Rips.
We'll call it 90,000 on the day, ladies and gentlemen. There it is. That's exactly what we were looking for. There's that 35 tag as promised.
You're likely going to be a lot better than you were last year, as long as you take it seriously.
And Rips shows the Jack 8.
Cash is flowing to Rips.
Look at that, just getting absolute.
And it's Rips winning one of the biggest pots of the session.
Wow. $250,000 on the week, baby. Let's go. There's nothing that makes me happier than when I see you folks win. Can it hold this push lower below 80s? This would be a big break if we can hold this push. $6,000 on the day in our Lucid Pro account. This is your entry. This is your ad. This is your takeout. Boom. Right there. Good morning, everybody, and happy Thursday. Yo, it's already Thursday. What in the world? How'd that happen? Short week this week. Ooh, baby. I love it. How many people in here love that it's a short week? You love it or do you hate it? You guys love that it's a short week? There's a lot of people who are like newer to trading and they're like, I hate when I'm not in the markets. I hate it. I love short weeks, baby. You've been trading for 12 years. You love when you get a nice little holiday week. It's amazing. Looks like the market sold off a little bit, continuing the sell off from yesterday. Ribs versus Sputnik, easy win or decent challenge. To be honest, I don't know who they are. Just being honest. I know that they're like on Tradeify. Thing here. I know that they're on Tradeify, but that's about where my knowledge ends of the situation. So, gap fill. Where's the gap? Am I missing something here? Where's the gap? Are you talking about like way down there? Are you talking about like that one?
Yeah, maybe. I mean, we're up there. We're high up there. Didn't realize you guys couldn't see my screen. How the Grand Cup going, Rips? It is going good. It's right there, 50K. I think he's got like $100 in profit or something from the last time that I checked. Let me see. Dude, that first guy got smoked. This was the first round. This idiot got smoked. Yeah, he sucks dick. It was so funny. All of his little homies were on Twitter being like, "You're finished, Ribs. You're gonna get smoked." And I was like, how about that? And they're like, well, you lost to a gambler. It's not even that good. Some bullshit. Fuck knows. Man. People online are insufferable. Fucking retards. Is it fun to be an outlaw? Yeah, I mean, great, fantastic. I get to play an outlaw today. So if I beat him, I get 5K. I don't get much sleep. What am I working with on sleep? He's got a huge advantage right now because I have a 24% recovery. It could be worse. Let's see. I gotta fucking... Let me do all this shit. I gotta do my fucking journal. Did I work out yesterday? I don't even remember. I think I did. I don't even remember. No, I got very little sleep last night. That's what it was. 2 nights ago. Now I remember. That's right. Okay. There we go. That seems right. Yeah, I have a 24% recovery. I slept for 4 hours. Not the best. I've had better. Did you play yesterday World Series Poker? You have to wait for the World Series Poker vlogs, which I think the first one's dropping today. I'm pretty sure the first one's dropping today. We got pretty close to the final edit, so they're gonna be on my YouTube channel. So if you're over on YouTube, blink, ba-ding. There you go. Is there a way to track the Grand Cup? Yeah. Let's see on their website. There's a whole button that says Grand Cup. You're at 34%? Damn. Yeah, we're in the red recovery today, boys. I couldn't sleep because of my fucking cats again. Goddamn cats are ruling the goddamn house. Get Bengals, they said. It'll be fun. Got my daily TP on one alpha, but was a retard and blew my other one. Gotta stick to the trading plan, not be such an idiot. That's good advice right there. Oh yeah, let me see here. Day 2. Rips. Oh shit. Fucking crushing. Look at this. I'm the champion of the world right now. Look at that. Leading. He's getting smoked. He's getting smoked. He has no shot. He's down $135. Smoked. Or no, $145. Smoked. smoked. I mean, the incentive is I get $5,000. Yeah. I don't know. We'll see. Good morning, Shell's face. I don't know what that means, but I hope that's nice. Damn, Navy guy, look at you. You got the fucking 22 karat gold house. Thanks, Navy guy. Thanks for being here. Full year. Woo-hoo. Joining the club, joining the ranks of Cube Q over here. Who else has a 22 karat gold house? Those are the coolest looking houses, I gotta say. Those are the best ones. Shit's on the regular gold house. The regular gold house is what? 4 months in, 3 months in. Did you guys see the Apex shit? You guys seen this? Apex, you can buy bulk accounts now? Holy shit. Isn't that insane? They actually did it. No activation fee either. I might have to get down on them things. I mean, that might be my speed right there. In Apex PAs, they're considered, yeah, of course. Like 20% or some shit. I gotta go, dude, there's so many rules for me to read. Wait, hold on, funded seat? Oh yeah, I still have these funded seat accounts. I could trade these bad doggers. Lucid, I don't have. Oh yeah, and then my Tradeify Lightning Funded. I gotta trade these, my Lightning Funded accounts. What do I need? I need 2 more days to get paid out 15 grand in these things. 2 more days, baby. So actually, the lay of the land is pretty nice. We just need 2 more trading days. I could technically do it today and tomorrow, but fuck that. My brain is in World Series of Poker mode right now. You'll see on the vlogs. That's where my head's at right now. I hope you guys enjoy these vlogs too. I really do. They're very chill, very laid back. If you're good enough to win the whole Grand Cut, yeah, 200K. Yeah, I mean, it just depends. Sinking ship? What's sinking ship? The World Series of Poker vlogs? No, the vlog should be out today. Today, for the Globex stream, I will be streaming with Rampage Jackson himself on his Kick channel and my channel. Kick.com/rips, kick.com/rampage, I think. Let me see. Kick.com/Rampage Jackson? Yeah, okay. Kick.com/Rampage Jackson. That's where I'm going to be streaming today. Let's see if we can teach Rampage how to trade. What's up, SW? How are you? Good morning to you. July Peppers, Alina National. No stream from within the Octagon? Maybe tomorrow. We'll do that tomorrow. You guys seem so shocked. You guys say, what? Ribsmod, you see the button up there? It says standard and no activation fee. All you have to do is click the activation fee button. I know it's tough to see that, but you know what I'm saying? You see that? See a little button there? Ribsmod? Ribsmod's so cute sometimes. Love him to death. Bring celebs on and give them an account to trade for a day. Hey, there we go. Not a bad idea. Those are pretty good comms. By the way, the most important indicator for the Fed is coming out in 15 minutes. PCE. It's the Fed's preferred inflation gauge. How about a gamble? Sure. Malice says, are you going to tell Rampage about IFVGs? No, because I'm straight. Okay, let's see here. Let's do 820. No, we got to do quicker than that. 821. You guys got to let me know when these gambles are over so we can fire in another one. Okay? So crazy to know that if Kick never got big because of suspenders. Suspenders. I don't know what that is. Rivs, if you win the Grand Cup, you will have 10 or 1,023 people pissed off because they will only get half their prize money. Oh, good. That makes me, that gives me incentive to fuck them up. I mean, I really wish that this was like during not the World Series of Poker. I mean, it does give everybody else a really good chance because I am a little bit handicapped. It's kind of annoying that it's right during the World Series of Poker, which is great timing, but Rampage will be better than TJR first day in the market. Maybe. You got a friend that won the Vegas Deep Stack last year. Is that the one at Venetian, right? Venetian runs the Deep Stack. Suspenders made Kick famous by introducing Ice Poseidon while he was on a trip to Japan. All the Kick OGs know that's how it got his jump start. Huh. I don't know who that is. The only person from Japan that I know is that the other dude. I don't fucking know his name. There's another streamer in Japan. The white kid from Japan. Why TJR SCI are not in the Trade Cup? Very good question, I'm sure. Is Apex on Trade Scene? Not that I'm aware of, but let me see. Maybe there's something I don't know. Dude, there's a lot now. Holy smokes. But nope. I'm not seeing Apex, no. So you have to stick with Trade of AIDS. Trade of AIDS. Rips, Big How checking in here. What's up, Howard? How are you, buddy? Let's put on a massive position for 8:30. Huge data dump. 7s at 1 p.m., sir. Yes, sir. You love it. I love it. I love it that you love it. I love how pumped you get for fixies. Nobody gets pumped for fixies like Mr. Howard over here. I love it. 7-year notes are gonna be interesting though. What was the last 7-year notes? Were they like 4.25 or something? Are we up over 4.5 in the 7s yet? I don't even know where we're trading at in the 7s. No one hardly gambled. That's why we don't even bother doing it. Look at that. Bunch of pansies. Oh, I didn't see there was a gamble. Guys, did they double the prices at EOD Apex accounts? 4 3/4. Okay. Or not 3/4. 4.35. Damn. I'm bummed about the 4-week bills, Howard, if I'm being honest. My T-bills are generating a lot less income. Not a lot less, but you know what I mean. It hurts. It's annoying. My free money is getting less free money. Fucking 4-week bills used to be so cool last year. Then got schmeckled on. Pozo says, I'm sick, swollen throat, and fever. I hope you feel better soon, Pozo. I'm sorry to hear that. Shouldn't be trading. You should be in bed getting some rest. What you doing here? Are you in bed? Are you tell me you're in bed. Supposed to be to a concert. Oh, goodness. Damn, there's a lot of people sick right now. I hope that y'all get better soon. That sounds horrible. What is it? Hantavirus? Is that what's going around right now? Hantavirus? Ebola. Nice. Good old Ebola. We're in the Grand Cup round today. I mean, we'll see. I don't know what to trade today. Like, I want to pass my alpha accounts. I also want to get some sleep at some point. Because I have a stream with Rampage Jackson at 2:30 my time. 5:30 your time. 5:30 Eastern. Markets are coming down right now. 9 minutes until the print. 9 minutes until PCE, and then we're going to get wild. Could you please explain what the news at 8:30 is and why it's so important? Yes. It's the core PCE price index. It's the Fed's gauge on inflation. It tells us how consumers are in the market and how prices are. It's very important. It's what the Fed looks at most to gauge inflation in the real markets. And we're getting it for April, so it is a little bit laggy. You know, we're lagging by basically like 30, a little bit over 30 days. Alpha dashboard completely messed up my account, so now my consistency is toast, waiting for Alpha to get their act together and clean it. What happened? Explain to me. I've never had issues with their dashboard. Hold on. Explain to me what happened. Consistency. Oh, well, you know, I don't trade with the consistency account, so. Unders win? Okay, sure. Pay the unders. Let's do another one. All right, let's do the big one so y'all have time to gamble here. This is gonna be the big one. I'm gonna give you guys 5 minutes for this one. If y'all don't gamble on this one, then we're not gonna gamble for the rest of the day. Are you gonna discuss long-term investment strategy? I think I'm just gonna try to teach him my strategy for day trading, that's all. I'm gonna try to make it very easily digestible. And I want him to be able to go away from our conversation with some knowledge that would be able to help him trade without me being there. That's my goal. I think we can accomplish that goal. I think, you know, we'll probably stream for like an hour, maybe 2 hours. I don't know. But my personal hope is that I can arm him with the information that will help him put on his own trades with confidence. It's going to be at 2:30 Pacific, 5:30 Eastern. It's going to be live on my channel, kick.com/rips. And it's going to be live on his channel, kick.com/rampagejackson. Alpha is struggling right now. Dashboard doesn't show all your accounts. Alpha Trader platform literally has antivirus. In my dashboard, I can see everything. I'm looking right now. I know yesterday there was issues with adding TradeOvade's accounts, but dude, I have all of my accounts in my dashboard right now. So I don't know what you guys are experiencing. Today is the Rampage stream, QQ. In literally 10 hours. 10 hours. How do I gamble? Refresh your page and there's going to be a little gamble thing that pops up. Watched the Joe Rogan interview last night. He was always, I'm assuming there's a follow-up there. One of my favorites. Got it. There you go. How many monitors do you think he's going to destroy while trading? Hopefully not many. Hopefully 0, because we're going to be able to give him a winning strategy that will help him take his trades with confidence. It's the Alpha Trading platform itself. Yeah, I mean, I haven't, if I'm being honest with you guys, I have not used the Alpha platform other than demoing like one trade on it. I have not traded on it myself, so I'm not the right person to ask about that, unfortunately. By the way, the levels are fucking insane, huh? Jesus. Again, I feel violated. These market makers using them with pinpoint accuracy. Like yesterday's 881 quarter floor. Like, come on. Knock it off, guys. Knock it off. Yeah, if you're trying to trade with Alpha Futures right now, to be honest with you, I think the absolute best thing you can do is trade on TradeOvade. And I will never say that, right? I will never say that. So I'm having no issues trading on TradeOvade with Alpha Futures. Grand Cup is on the screen right now, right here. That's my Grand Cup account. As you can see, we're going hog wild in that thing. I really wish they didn't have fees, meaning like they, whatchamacallit? Like if they didn't have fees, then I'd absolutely be trading micros in it, but there's fees, trading fees, so it's like I'm probably just gonna trade one mini. I don't know. I have no idea, dude. I'm not a doctor. I don't fucking know these things. I know I'm winning. I just need to put on some more trades. I'm gonna see if I can let him hang himself. I don't know how. I understand that this guy's a host on Tradeify TV. I've never watched him trade. I don't know his style, but I'm assuming that, you know, he's got to be a pretty decent trader. Makes no sense to have fees on sim. Makes sense to have fees on the funded accounts. I think they're trying to prepare you, is all. He's a scalper? Okay. Good to know. He could be up thousands right now. I have no idea. Who knows? Who knows? PC coming out in 2.5 minutes. You see the market clock right above my head, right below the spinning logo. What's the goal in the competition? Is it to see who makes more? Generally, that's how trading works. But yes, by the end of the session today, who has the higher balance? The max amount of contracts you can trade is 10 micros or 1 mini. Somebody was talking shit yesterday. They're like, yeah, the only reason you won was because he full ported. Okay. Yes. It is funny the amount of people that just have decided no matter what happens, fuck that Rips guy. Fucking hate that guy so much. I love iDots. I do. People on social media are retarded. They are. They are. Yeah, these guys, there's a bunch of people who are like, yeah, Dr. Sarvar is going to beat your ass. And I was like, yo, so what happened? And they're just like, still talking shit. It's like, what in the fuck? Huh? What the fuck? Good morning, Rips. I used your levels for the first time last night. Rode them all the way down until I ran out. So I turned around and rode them back up. They freaked me out. That's awesome. All right, be careful, guys. Be careful if you have a position on. I wonder if anybody's gambling like their Grand Cup account on this. Be careful out there. I'm not yet. I don't have a position on anywhere. Yeah, you only won because he lost, bro. That's essentially what somebody was saying when they were talking shit. I'm not even joking. They're like, yeah, the only reason you won is because he lost and he wasn't even very good. Like, right, that's usually how that works. Yeah, the only reason your team fucking won is because the other team was worse than you. You still suck, bro. Oh, okay. Good math. I love it. It's amazing. Here we go. 5 seconds. Good luck. Be careful. Be careful. It's be a wild, wild print here. Or not. Jobless claims. Go PC. 1.6%. 4/10 lower than expected there. Personal income 4/10 lower. That's kind of the headline figure here. PC in line. Year over year completely in line. Month over month 1/10 lower. Come on. Come on. We waited all morning for that. Come on. It's 30 handles, but come on. Kind of annoying. I was expecting more. Jobless claims aren't going to really move the market today. Well, good thing we're not focused on jobless claims. I mean, preliminary durable goods orders are way up. I'm looking for something to do. something to something. All right, I'll be right back. Don't go anywhere. Looks like a squeeze. My goodness. Looks like a squeeze. New highs for the New York session. Pay the over? Sure. Why not? Let's do it. Oh, look, you guys actually gambled. Unbelievable. Let's do another one. Let's do another. Good to see you folks back in the gambling streets, huh? About damn time. Look at that. Back over 30,000, too. Okay, there you go. Lock it in. Lock it in, baby. We're at the tippy top of this volume shelf now, so be curious to see if we have continuation follow through. Up to 30, 30 and a quarter. You're being watched by your competitor? Is that right? What's their stream? To, what is it, Tradeify? Oh, that's the guy. I thought he had a potato as an avatar. That's the guy? I thought he was a potato guy. I don't see my screen on his screen, so I don't know. Whatever. He becomes a potato at Open Cheese. I did not know that. So is he trading as him? I don't know. Whatever. I have no idea. Too much to comprehend right now. Hey, Rips, the free account you gave me is paying 2K today. Let's go, Kiwi. Goodness gracious. He's negative 120 right now? Wait, hold on. I gotta see this. You guys are telling me that this guy's like trading right now. How do we see that? Oh. Thought I would have seen that. Whatever. Ah, I see. So he's on stream talking about it. Gotcha. Well, we almost kissed 30 spot quarters there. Mr. Vic Vice, 11 months. Navy guy, 12 months. Andreas, 11 months. Nice. Everyone Rips Faces is probably going to watch the stream. Why wouldn't you? I don't know. Which monitor model do you use for your PC setup? I use Samsung. Samsung 57-inch, 49-inch, and a Dell 34-inch? 34, I think. We are getting some nice movement here upstairs. I'm curious if we're going to break through these 30s. Definitely some people that are stuck. This market ain't never coming down. Definitely some folks that are stuck here. What's up, Hot Lots? Back on month one, apparently put in an old card. I don't know what that means. Oh no, you're on 8 months, Arbel. It doesn't have to be consistent. You're 8 months. How many years it took you to become profitable in day trading? 3. 3 or 4. It wasn't like year 3 was fucking roses, bro. But you have to understand, like my first 2 years of trading, I was 10 plus hours a day, most days, 5 days a week. Like I was on that grind. I wasn't like fucking 1 day a week on my phone. It was the only thing I focused on, so. Alpha Trader is behaving as true gentlemen with all this situation. 10 out of 10 for them. Did you tell them that you're a subscriber to the Germinal and you're looking for a Go XLR? If you said those two things, they'd probably hook you up with some free accounts. I'm on that grind now, going for my second year trading full time. Yeah, it does get slightly better over time. It's still never, it never becomes to the point where you're not stressed out about it. I guess, like, dude, if you traded like small size, if you traded consistent size throughout your entire trading career, maybe. But like, you size up, I mean, I don't know. Maybe other people don't. I don't know. Naturally, though, you want to size up. It just gets more and more stressful. Never really gets easy. Caesar Entertainment getting bought for a cool 18 billion. Is that actually going through? Is that Tillman's deal? Level up your pace. Yeah, but I mean, like, you don't really... I mean, that's what makes trading forever difficult, is like, you make a certain amount of money, you're not going to stay there. You go for more. I don't know, maybe other people are different. There might be some people who are just stuck with like a ceiling of like $1,000 a day or something like that. I don't know. Who knows? Morning, Rose. Just want to say thank you for your knowledge every morning. Currently being moved to live. Yo, let's go. Trade a day 130. I knew that was going to reverse at 770 to 30K before open, just saying. Cool. Let's go. Best steakhouse in Vegas. Poppy Steak is very good. It's very good. Poppy Steak, I mean, if you want a traditional steakhouse, it's like, the food is top notch. Poppy Steak. Don's Prime, also very good. One restaurant that my wife and I have been enjoying a lot lately is Pisces. Pisces is incredible. Went there last night. So good. It's like shits on Milo's. If you've ever been to Milo's before, it just totally destroys Milo's. Fogo de Chao. If I had the choice between going to Fogo de Chao and eating, or having some dude kick me in the dick, I'd probably pick the dick kick, personally. But that's just me. I'd probably go for a nice kick square in the dick. Fogo is mid is like saying AIDS is dope. I love having AIDS. Like saying Fogo is mid is like being like, having AIDS would be great. Fogo de Chao is where if you have diarrhea, you go there to fucking really push on it and get it all out. I'd probably rather eat food outside of a dumpster in a Chick-fil-A than go to Fogo de Chao. Personally. I'd rather eat an MRE instead of Fogo de Chao. For real, dude. That's facts. I didn't. Are they still around? Do they really still have that? Is Fogo de Chao still around? I thought that place fucking shut down a long time ago. How many times should I multiply my 1,800 channel point? Well, it's not like that. You got to wait for good odds, I suppose. They're here? Oh my god, they're still around. Holy shit. I had no idea. It's literally meat in the sound. I've never been in one. I'm just being honest. I just know it's ridiculous. You have like a fucking... You have a paddle at your table. Bring me more meat. It just looks fucking terrible. Looks so disgusting, bro. Fucking dudes come around with fucking disgusting fucking dirty meat. It just looks terrible. 30 spot 25 there. What can help to understand how the auction is unfolding as you see it in his book map, other than hours and hours of replay? Any book that can help? No. It's like, dude, it's like walking up to somebody. I was having this conversation with somebody the other day, but it's like walking up to a tennis player and being like, hey, dude, can you just tell me really quick, like, how are you getting that top spin on the ball to do a drop shot? Like, just tell me. I don't want to fucking deal with the bullshit of like hundreds of hours or thousands of hours. Just tell me what I do with the racket just to get that drop shot right there. Just tell me, just shut the fuck up and tell me what to do with the racket. Like that's essentially like when you're asking questions about like, oh dude, what's it? Just what did you see in book map there? Or what did you see in the order flow? You gotta pay your penance. You gotta do the time. Pattern recognition. Just takes time. Really does. Just takes time. Unders win? Okay. Barely. Wait, really? Do they? Hold on. Are you trying to fucking sneak one by me here? I'm gonna check now. Just barely. Damn. If it would have held those fucking highs, huh? Just barely. I wanted the overs to win, if I'm being honest. I was rooting for the overs there. I'm gonna do another big one here. 5 minutes. Had to take the wife to the ER last night, so I wasn't sure if I was going to be in the right headspace to trade this morning. Almost locked everything up. Took one trade, both my fund accounts plus 2K. Is your wife okay? I couldn't care less about your trading. Is your family okay? Text pad recognition and icebergs. You can look up how to read the bubbles and bookmap. They are great videos on Instagram. If you want to go ahead and drop your Instagram, and I can send you a few videos that tell you exactly how to do it. You hold the secrets. Bookmap versus charts is like trying to catch a pitch, watching videos versus. It just takes time. I mean, I think reading order flow takes time to get better at it. I mean, it's subjective too. There's no right way to read it. There's interpretation of what you see on the tape. And I think some people's interpretation is gonna be better than others. Play tennis and it's fun how many similarities you find between trading and tennis. Yep, trading tennis, trading and poker. A lot of things have similarities to trading. Trading is shows you a lot about all certain facets of life. She's okay. Turned out to be a pulled muscle attached to her rib cage. All blood work and scans came back good for everything. Okay, good. Happy to hear that, man. I'm not having a good day today. Didn't sleep since yesterday due to my back pain. Just feeling sensible. Sorry. It's okay. Let it out, buddy. Hey, got my first Lucid account and use your code. Let's go. Hey, which account did you go for? What'd you go for today? I would like to see a pullback to 30 spot quarters, but this thing is on the unstoppable grind to the north. To be honest, it just doesn't feel very natural. I feel like they're just squeezing out all these early shorts. Market makers tend to do this type of shit, right? Here's the other thing, right? There's context, right? There's context, right? I've seen this happen before. Will it be correct? I don't know. But there's context that comes into play, right? The entire macro environment gives us context on the environment of what we're looking at here. So there's context involved where it's like, this grind up feels to me, and when I say the word feels, it's because of the experience that I have in watching these things. It feels to me like they're pushing out early shorts because I don't see, based on the context of the print, the macro, everything that's going on, I can't find a good reason of why we should be grinding up higher on that print. Am I wrong in my interpretation of the data? Sure, could be. I don't know. But I don't care, right? This is what trading is. I haven't tried shorting it on the way up. I'm just observing right now. I don't feel confident in my trade idea to jump in long or short right now, so I be patient and I wait. That's the way that I approach trading. Will you approach trading in that way? Probably not. Maybe you do. I don't fucking know. Trading is subjective. Your interpretation of the tape, of flows, of the macro environment, everything's subjective. That's all there is to it. Is Barkin talking right now? Let me see. Is he actually on right now? He is... No. Williams. Williams is supposed to be talking soon here. Yeah, we're just continually squeezing right now. Meta is squeezing, Google is starting to shape up, Tesla's pushing, Nvidia's pushing, Amazon's slowly pushing. Nvidia's pushing, but it's not like you have to understand, ever since earnings we've been drooping. We had a run up through before earnings, we had a slight drop. I'll show you on the chart so you're not flying blind here. There you go. Go to 15-minute bars. But like we had a run up before earnings, we dropped right before earnings, and then earnings have been lackluster. The forward-looking guidance is not being really supported by anything, so we are seeing that drop a little bit. We've just seen it bleeding. That's really it. We are potentially making a recovery here if we can make these. Here's my box. If we can hold this area of price right here, which is kind of what we're trading in right now, right? We hold this area of price. I talked about this in the morning memo that went out today. I don't know if it's posted on propfirms.gg, but usually it is this quickly. But yeah, if we're holding this price down here, if we're holding above, I don't even know what the memo said. Let me check. The low that I'm looking for us to hold on to is 204 and 204 spots 50. So I crudely drew this. Let's see where the actual level is supposed to be. 204 spot 50. Okay, about there. Let's go back to 15-minute bars. Yeah, that makes sense. Because it's just above these wicks, and it's kind of where we buried price in here. Where we had this little... So it makes sense. The upper area to watch on NVIDIA is going to be what? 224 or 210? 210 halves. Or sorry, 217 halves. So this will probably go all the way. 217 halves. Yeah, it's like to the top of that extension. Look at that. Amazing. Yeah, so basically we're in the bone zone right now, the zone of indecision. Not really super important, but there you have it. That's what I'm looking at in the case of NVIDIA. Right now, still sending it higher here. But in the larger context of things, all we're doing is coming just above the point of control if we're looking at yesterday's profile. Let's bring it in a little bit tight here. Yeah, we're auctioning just above the point of control, which is at 30,050. Got in a long on NQ at 989. Should I move stops 30-30? Sure, somewhere around there makes sense. NQ all-time high price target. Good luck. That's a lofty target. I like it. 330 points away. Eric, what's up, buddy? How are you? Came from Soupy's stream. He says hi, and also he says you're going down in a friendly way, but down. Huh. I didn't even know Soupy streamed. Ah, Spuddy. Spudnik, gotcha. See, there's a person in here called Soupy. I didn't know that Soupy, had a stream. Yes, buddy, got it. Anywho, back to the somebody left me a comment on Instagram. And then I got a screenshot of it sent to me by the content team. I was fucking crying laughing. I had my, I was doing like a live trade or something on one of my Instagram shorts. And it had Bookmap up on the chart. And the guy's comment was, bro is out here trading bacteria. I was dying. It was hilarious. Out here trading bacteria. That was really good. I like that one. Out here trading bacteria. Oh, I gotta do a little public service announcement. Forgot about that too. Somebody help me with this one, by the way. This is on my X. If you want to find me on X, it's very easy. X.com/Rips. This person goes, why you blocked me? Poonam. Hold on, where are you from, Poonam? India. I had no idea. He says, why you blocked me? This is the image. Hello. Hello, sir. How are you doing? This is just how I talk. I'm doing well. What made you to get to me? And then apparently this person, I mean, I just said, that's not me. How are people still falling for this in 2026? Literally look at the name. I don't, like, how? How are people falling for this? Doesn't even look like that's R1PS. And like the name R1PS __. How? How does that, I'm so confused. How do people fall for that? It must be you. It's got your picture. We need to report. Okay, do me a favor here. Let's all report this guy's account because apparently he's rampantly messaging everybody. Let's see. Jesus Christ, how the fuck? Oh, and they look at this. How cute. They preemptively blocked me. They blocked me. All right, do me a favor and report this account for impersonating me. And let's see if we can get them removed. Let's report the account. Report. Impersonation. There we go. Someone on X is being impersonated. Hey, this is easy to do. Look at this. So here, I'll show you how to do this. Go here, report, go to impersonation, someone else, Rips. There he is. Whoop. There you go. Block this fucking clown. All right, there we go. Easy game. If everybody does that, they'll remove that account pretty quickly. Um, 9 a.m. here. Still ripping. South Africa is going to have their rate decision here. Dude, it's still squeezing like crazy. It's nuts. Not really having any good pullbacks yet. It's just been non-stop bids. So it's brazy. We're at a little crispy topping area, so it'd be really nice if we had a pullback at some point. Dude, look at these sweeps are insane, brother. Somebody's very, very stuck. Completely stuck. Like that is somebody getting fucked on. I wonder if that actually like ruined somebody's like trading career. That move right there. I wonder if that, you have to always imagine, I always think for the worst. Like, I wonder if that candle literally put somebody out of the game. You ever think about that? Is it just me? Like, that candle could have easily put somebody out of the game. They're done. Like, they woke up today, they had no idea, and now they're out of the game. I'm not talking about evals, I'm talking about real money. If you don't have Bookmap, do you think you could still be a profitable trader? I'll bet you can. Yeah, of course. I traded without Bookmap for a very long time. I just like Bookmap because it consolidates all of the data that I want to look at. And in a way that my brain perceives that data really well. That's it. Or maybe you could argue that it doesn't perceive it very well, you know? Talking channel gamble. I mean, we still got 4 minutes. We could have a Trump tweet that tanks the market. You never know. I want to learn what you know. Stick around, watch the free streams. That's what I'm here for. I'm here to teach you everything I do know for free. Best I can. If you had to choose one thing to focus on when studying Bookmap first, what would it be? I mean, the whole thing, I don't know. I don't really look at it as piecemeal. The whole thing combined. You have to understand that the whole reason that I even wanted Bookmap in the first place, because I was going to develop a piece of software that literally existed in the form of Bookmap. I was working out in my gym. I was like, oh, it'd be really dope if you could have all of, like, if you could see inside of a candle and you could see like the prints inside of a candle and you could measure like the volume inside of a candle. And I had like a rough idea in my head and I went Googling for it. I was like, oh, thank God, it already exists. Don't have to do development. It's great. Fantastic. That was it. Reporting that guy on actually super easy. Hopefully it helps. It usually does. They're pretty good about removing those. I mean, I have a direct line to their support too. I can always just reach out to them if they don't get it removed. But it's just crazy that people in 2026 are like, bro, what the yes, I'm literally messaging you in my fucking free time, dude. Hey man, how's your trading going? Never talked before. How's your trading going, bro? By the way, just want to let you know I have a copy service. Give me your Bitcoin. Oh, wow. Oh my God. Dude, there's people that have been like scammed for, like, there was a woman that got scammed $850,000 because she thought she was talking to Brad Pitt. I feel, dude, like, I'm sorry, like, how did you have $850,000 if you don't have any common sense? It must have been her dead husband's money or something, or her current husband's money. Who the fuck knows? Like, yes, Pumpkin, you're talking to Brad Pitt. He needs your money. Oh, it's a loan. I just need a loan. Yeah, it was. Times are tough. South Africa raises their interest rate to 7% as expected. 25 bipperinos. Jeff, why did you, oh, thank you. Rich doesn't mean smart. I mean, usually. I mean, unless it's like, I don't know. Do you know that meme, dinner with Jay-Z or 500K? Charleston, White? I don't think I have seen that one. Man, I cannot wake up today. Jump scared myself, checking my phone for the first time in the middle of the night and saw a person at doorbell 145. Checked the cameras, it was just a big ass spider. Oh shit. Damn. That's some spooky shit. By the way, we did rip into these highs and now we're just rejecting off of them. I feel like, dude, I really want to believe that this ruined somebody's life. This candle ruined somebody's life. I just want to believe. Can you just let me have that market? I want to just know that somebody's life just 1,000 contracts. There's 2,000 contracts in this little. Maybe somebody's life got destroyed. You just never know. If you don't know, like when you're trading real money, by the way, if you don't know, if you're short, this is what happens. If you're short and you're trading real money and your balance gets low enough, the broker takes control of your account and then they fucking buy you in. They do it. You don't have any control over this. It's called being called into a trade. You can get called, margin called, whatever. It's a call. But that literally destroyed somebody's balance and they might owe the broker money now. That's trading. It's a brutal blood sport. And then if you're like Ripsy Huss, you're long from somewhere down here and you're all smiles when your TP is up here and some broker is just shoving shares into your gullet and you're like, thank you, I'm all out. That's the best feeling ever. When you are the other side of somebody's liquidation, I mean, there's few better feelings in the world. Okay, I'll be honest. Being inside of Carlos's mom, it's up there. But nothing beats being on the other side of somebody's liquidated trade. It's up there. It's pure unfettered bliss. That move yesterday, pre-market to the upside, got us all fucked up yesterday. Yeah, I mean, I somehow I made it on the other side pretty. I lost funded, Alpha Futures. I lost Alpha Futures evaluation accounts, and then I hit my daily loss limit on my funded seed accounts. That was the damage. Overall, I feel like that's not that bad. Yesterday's first Trump candle ruined my day. I was in that way. Remember, I was short. That was the one that took out my Alpha accounts. I was shorted to that shit. And went, blah. I was up too. I was up like, I don't know, 2 G's or something. I don't know. I was up. I thought I was up decent amounts of money. You blew like 50 Apex? Holy shit. Take it easy. Oh, well, by the way, Apex you can now buy 5 at a time. Is that the cap, by the way? Is 5? Is 5 the magical cap? I'm pretty sure it's like $69 for a 5-pack, right? Yeah, you could do 69 giggity dollars for a 5-pack with no activation fee. 189? I thought it was 69. 89? Only intraday? 15% margin on $1 billion bets is great. Yeah, it is. Boom, 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 boom. I don't know how we didn't have a level up here at fucking 80. The hell, market makers? Where are you getting those levels from? Tell me. They didn't even hit our 122. Kind of. Oh, well, they did hit 41 halves. Yeah, I don't know. Kind of feel like we're missing something there. I mean, it worked. It worked. Looks like it worked well yesterday. Oh, man. I need some sleep. I'm so exhausted. How's Spudnik doing, by the way? Has he turned into a potato? Let's see. Oh, he's now a potato. I gotta hear this guy's voice. Oh, so he's up a couple $100 now. Well, EOD is like $200. Really? Hold on, I want to see it. Really wish fucking 2FA wasn't a thing. It's so goddamn annoying. I get it, but it's like fuck, so annoying. Tomorrow's Friday. Here's what I'm thinking. You champs, tell me what you want to do because I'm here for you guys. I'm thinking that I want to do our stream in the morning here. Hopefully get some good trades on. We'll see. Market opens in 20 minutes. Then I'm going to try to take a nap in the pool. See if I can get any darker. It's fucking... Some have said it's a fool's errand. But then after that, I want to do the stream with Rampage Jackson. By the way, I will be streaming today at 5:30 p.m. Eastern Time, 2:30 p.m. Pacific Time, 4:30 p.m. Central Time, Fizzy Wickets UK Time, Fizzy Wickets and Bumblecrack. I don't know. I'm streaming with Rampage Jackson, the UFC fighter. Wow, Alpha new website got scared. Wait, what? There's a new website? No, same dashboard, man. So I'm thinking after that stream, I can either go and play poker and then miss the Friday morning stream, or I can wait until Friday tomorrow and go play at 10 a.m. Let me see what the fucking tournament is tomorrow. Ugh. Mini Mystery Millions, 550. Ugh. They do have a 25K heads up championship. I don't know if I want to play that though. Yeah, or late reg for the World Series of Poker, $5,000 pot limit Omaha. Oh, 30 and a quarter snapped off. Look at that. Damn. Straight to the level. No, I like 4-card games. I love PLO. I'm a pretty decent PLO guy. Wonder if I built the software that entered and exit trades on your callouts, it would be probably not. Probably not. Oh yeah, let's do a tarot card. But yeah, what should I do? Should I be playing tonight? Get some rest and go play tonight? I mean, the tournament starts at noon. That'd be a really late start. Wait, hold on. When is day 2? Let me see if there's day 2 for this thing. I mean, Saturday there's a 10K high-low. 08. Could do that too. I just don't know what I want to do. How? I think there's 60-minute levels for this one. I just don't know. What do we do? What do we do? What is it? Event number 5. No. Wait, day 1 are 40-minute levels? What? 40-minute levels? Son of a bitch. $40-minute levels would be... Yeah, I don't know. I have no idea. Spud up big now? Really? What's he up? How much? I wish they would update the P&Ls. Logging in here. Bring a pillow, 40-minute levels? I mean, that's normal. I mean, I show him being down $155, so I don't know. I have no idea, man. Oh, we'll try to trade the open. Ah! Overs? Sure. Let's pay the overs. Oh, 906. 906 was definitely the overs. Holy shit. That was easy. I'm gonna do another big one here. Get your gambles in, ladies and gentlemen. Big one. Nest cameras suck apparently. I did Nest. Oh yeah. It did merge with Google. Fuck, I need sleep. All right, I'll be right back. Don't go anywhere. All right, what were we looking? What do we want to try to find on Apex accounts? What were you guys asking? Bullman. What were you guys asking? I logged into Apex and I forgot what we're looking at on the site. Okay, let's see. Buy something. Trade ovate. The activation fee, let's see. $2,290? Oh, $229. Where's the fucking, how do I just want to do the fucking 5-pack. Where's the thing? Too tired for this shit. Okay. End of day trail, no activation fee, 150K. Can you not do a 5-pack? Where's the 5-pack thing that you guys were all talking about? How come I don't have access to it? The fuck? Is it only for 50Ks? No. All right, I'm on drugs or something. Help me. Here, pop out in chat so I can read. It's in there. Okay, but where? Help. Where's the 5-pack? How do I find the 5-pack? You're not seeing the activate? It's right there, dude. I'm not seeing the thing for the fucking 5-pack. Lower right. Oh, I'm retarded. Oh, you can't do it with a 150K. I see. Okay. I'm retarded. I get it, guys. You see how fucking retarded I am? You guys don't believe me when I say I'm actually fucking retarded. I'm beyond retarded. But this is why I couldn't find it, because I was right here. To be fair, I didn't realize it's only on the 50K. You do it directly from the dashboard. You buy 5-pack of 150Ks. No way. Hold on. Hold the phone, buddy. Let me see here. Oh, let me go into my fucking dashboard. Okay, I'm in the dashboard. Trade of 8. Oh, the intraday trail 5-pack. I see it. I mean, $245 for an intraday trail 5-pack ain't that crazy. But wait, for no activation though. 150K. No, I see you can't do it. Damn. Can you do 150K? Wait, hold on. End of day trail. You could do a 5-pack end of day trail, 150K. That's kind of chill. Right? That's kind of dope. Look at that. You do that right there. For $4.95 with code RIPS. Yeah, that's kind of chill. It's not bad. No, plus $500. No. Wait, hold on. Wait a second. You might be right. Those are, yeah, you might be right. You might be right. It's a lot of options out. So, end of day trail. No activation fee. Here it is. They won't let me do a 5-pack of those. They will let me do it for a 50K. Maybe I do 50Ks. So that'd be $1,600. Not bad. It's not bad. Do it with the 50Ks. End of day trail. What about intraday trail? Intraday trail. Let's see these. 345. I'd rather just do the end of day, right? Yeah, the activation paid already. Yeah, I know. I'm retarded, guys. I get it. I'm fucking retarded. I mean, it's not bad. It's not bad. It's not bad. Kind of with it. You know, I'm kind of with that. Maybe we do June. We try to make a run at Apex. Yes, and end of day for both eval and PA. Correct. It's like $100 more per 5-pack. So what is that? $20 more. Yeah, I might try to make a run at Apex. To be fair, I haven't traded the end of day accounts as PAs. I just didn't activate them. I never got around to activating them. So. Maybe. Maybe we do it this month, June. Yeah, daily loss limit on EOD, correct. Feds William is talking right now. There's nothing happening in the market, so. Oh, holy fuck, I'm so tired. 4 hours of sleep. Like back-to-back days of 4 hours of sleep. Fuck. Daily loss limit sucks because it follows you even after the buffer, correct? Yeah, but the trailing drawdown doesn't. There's no daily loss limit in the trailing drawdown. So there you go. June Apex run. Rips, levels are crazy. Secured 3 payout with TPT in the last month. Only 1 account, but 10K total. Let's fucking go. Thanks, Rips, you legend. Thank you, buddy. Appreciate you, man. End of day DLL increases with scaling. Does it? What is it? What's the max DLL? Oh yeah, it doesn't go to like 4K DLL. I forgot about that. Nothing has changed in the way that I trade. I just can't seem to get any good trades. It's the markets, man. Markets change all the time. Markets are forever changing. They're forever in flux. We are bouncing off the key level, though. I mean, fuck. If I would have used my fucking levels this morning instead of being a tired zombie retard, then I probably would be green right now. But I'm just tired zombie retard rips. 3K right now, level 1. Nice, dude. How many payouts have you gotten, Jay? Or what's your lay of the land there? Predictions were already live. I did a big one. There was only there's 260,000 points in the pool. Are these correct now? Oh, nice. Do we have the 5-pack in there too? We got the no activation fee accounts added to propfirms.gg right now, so there we go. Cool. I don't know if we have the 5-pack yet, but hey. Dude, I cannot believe how fucking tired I am. This is insane. I'm exhausted, brother. Like dying over here. Jesus, I need to go back to sleep. So tired. Drinking Ghost. If you could have just one vehicle in the world, which vehicle would you pick? For me, Bugatti. I've never driven a Bugatti, so I can't really, I have no idea. I'd probably borrow RJ's W1. Problem is I can't fit in a Matchbox car, so it'd be troubling to drive that thing. I like my Bentley. It's nice. It's comfortable. Can't find that Ghost on Arnold Palmer. Really? It's called Iced Tea and Lemonade. They don't name it Arnold Palmer because I think that fucking Arizona Iced Tea has the rights to Arnold Palmer. So it's called just Iced Tea and Lemonade. Dude, my brain is firing so, like, imagine a retard being slower than usual. That's where my brain's at right now. Sucks. Can feel the fucking 2 brain cells rubbing together right now. Alani's on sale at a Costco? Yeah, nice. I just have a bunch of them. I need to fucking nap in my pool. It's only gonna be 78 degrees today. That's kind of a bummer. 1 minute warning here. Fuck. It's only gonna be 78 degrees? That's horrible. Fuck is the UV index gonna be? Oh, thank God. We're gonna get up to like 9 around noon. Thank God. Jesus. For a second, I thought I wasn't gonna be able to get any darker today. Take the day off now. I gotta trade this Grand Cup thing. That's my goal for today, is to try to trade this thing. We are holding above 30 right now. This thing is holding strong. Holding very strong. You excited to have Rampage on? I am. I just got to get some sleep before that fucking happens. But the problem is I never get fucking sleep. I just never get fucking sleep, dude. I don't remember the last time I had like a good solid month of good sleep scores. It was like a while ago. Long time ago. Here we go. Markets are open. Ding, ding, ding. We are rising. S&Ps are dropping. NASDAQ is rising. Huge divergence again. Not a lot of chips in the S&Ps. There are not as many. Dude, if the S&Ps start to turn around and bounce, this thing can fucking go hog wild. But right now, the divergence makes this very difficult to trade. If we continually hold underneath here and the S&Ps continue to drop, we could see a roll, but the NQ is really just wanting to blast the fuck off. Nvidia and Microsoft are going fucking ape shit. Feds Williams is still talking. He's talking about there would be higher rates than where we're at today. Is our level 122? At 122. Oh, market. Come on, give us some nice, cleaner action here. I would love to see a whip up above 122 there and a tag higher. Pullback from Nvidia. Microsoft still strong. Tesla's going down. Microsoft is mega strong here. If Microsoft stays weak under 420 though, this thing will be pretty loose. I want to try to short this thing if the S&Ps are going to still tumble. If we could break below that 30 level. Back to the 1 hour mid. All right, I'm gonna try this thing short. Oh, I'm in MNQ. Son of a bitch. Whatever. It's fine. I'll trade MNQ today. I forgot. I didn't switch back. I want to see this thing getting buried underneath that 30 spot quarters level too. So annoying. And I was in micros, not minis. Why does the music always go fucking mute for the open too? I swear to God, we get the fucking worst music by the time the open happens. Like, I swear we put on like pumping tracks and it's like, we have the worst dog shit ever. Like, what is this dog shit that I'm listening to right now? We'd be up $700, by the way, if we weren't fucking retards. All right, watching to see if we bounce 30s again. Yeah, we got room lower. I'm gonna go for this. I'm going for more lower here. I want to see 30,000 breaching. We got a lot of room. Imagine if we actually had minis on. Like good boys. I might switch back over into minis. Watching on this bounce here. Nice weakness. I want to see follow through below 30,000. That's what I'd really like to see on this trade. Can I interest you in the fucking consolidation from hell? Sure. All right, just faded, boys. Clean fades through 30,000 now. There it is. Give me that connection below. Stop bidding it, you pussies. Jesus Christ. Bunch of asshats bidding 30,000 right now. Like you guys can even hold it up. Limp-wristed pussies. You guys know better. You can't hold up 30,000, so just let it drop. Just let it drop. Exactly right. Exactly right. All right. Out there. We're up $511 in the cup account. I gotta go back to NQ. I mean, this is fucking micros are for pussies. Yeah, this music sucks dick, dude. This is horrible music. Fucking ass music, dude. Imagine if I was in a mini, though. It'd be up so much money. This is terrible fucking music, though. Like, I swear, it's like normal until the open comes, and then the open comes, and it's like, hey, man, I have a great idea. We're gonna have a playlist full of dog shit for you now. Have you been to Bangalore? This is the theme song of the country. Play your own playlist. Yeah, I'd run out of music. Holy shit, we got 3,100 people watching. What the fuck? Who are you people? 3,100 people this morning. What the hell? Where are you people coming from? The fuck? I didn't even realize we had that many fucking people watching. Crazy. Anyone know the ticker for oil? CL. How is he doing in the cup right now? Is he getting his ass handed to him by Ripsy? Yeah, majority are all on YouTube right now. I don't know why. Kick is way better. How do you enter and win the MacBook? I forgot about that shit. Dude, too much going on right now. Fuck. Coming from Thompson. Yeah. Facebook is pushing in their algo. Yeah, I mean, maybe. How is nobody's told me how the fucking potato dude's doing, man. Nobody's giving me any comms on that. Nobody's giving me any fucking comms. 3,200 people now watching. What the fuck? No one is watching. Where's the good comms? I fucking spend every morning with you guys trying to give you the best trading comms. I ask one single question and not a single person out of 3,200 people watching can help me. The fuck? He's up a few hundred. Well, I'm on the fucking moon right now knowing that nobody knows. It's annoying as shit. Did he make money or lose money or what's the lay of the land here? He shorted MNQ. Okay, well, there you have it. We're below 29, but we're not like sending it much lower here. Everything is bleeding. Microsoft might go red on the day, so I'm gonna try this short again. I'm sold on these shorts here. We do have a lot of buyers below us in the S&Ps, but I don't think that's gonna disrupt the flows all too much. If we can break lower on, like, let's say we get like a nice re-entry on this bounce, or like an ad on this bounce, it'd be amazing. Watching. A lot of liquidity down here. I can see us bouncing very heavily from here as well. Like I could see a massive bounce, but then we get a fat retracement. 973 quarters to the downside would be a nice little target here. See, they're starting to rip the doors off. Watching this 73 quarters level now. Right to it, huh? These market makers aren't fucking around today. 73 quarters ripping the doors off. I'm gonna try something very fancy here. Watch this. Try something extra fancy pants. You're gonna either love this or hate this. Straight to the fucking level. They're really burying the hog now. Africa is going to have a vaccine for Ebola by the end of the year, apparently, or some type of cure. Who the fuck knows what they're saying? Trying to get extra cute here. Back to 73 quarters. Watch this. Zoop. Oh, just film me. Stop being pussy. There you go. That a girl. Film me. Oh yeah, you film me. You feel me? Boink. There we go. 600 now. All right, are we in the lead yet? His screen isn't showing. How come? The hell? They're saying you're too busy with the WSOP. I mean, they're not wrong. They're not wrong. I am exhausted. I wish this was at a different time. You know what I mean? I really do. I want to see some extremities here, though. I really want to see some pushing to the extremities. I'd like to see 30,000 get tagged on this push. What do you think of RP Profits? The guy is cool on Instagram. We chat on Instagram. He's cool. Reese Phillips, right? Guy's cool. Nice guy. There we go. Pigeon catch. I feel like me calling out the trades is not a good idea, right? Ribs up 600. Fuck. Is that what he just said? I mean, get used to it, pal. You're playing with you're fucking with the best, dog. We're playing pitch and catch. This motherfucker's gonna turn into a French fry when we're done with him. A French fry. Wait, hold on. You know what we need? Hold on. This is the type of fucking... Welcome to the Grand Cup. We're gonna fuck your shit up. See what I'm saying? Now watch the stream. Oh, not more magic levels. Not more magic levels, Ribs. Stop doing it to me. Oh, pitch and catch exactly at the fucking magical level again? No, Ribs, stop doing it. Picture perfect like a sniper would. Stop doing that. Oh, Ripsy, stop. Stop it. It's too good. Pitch and catch exactly at the fucking level, and you give those out for free. Give it levels for free, 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 give it levels for free. Nasty! Good times. Oh, you know what we need? We need again. Are you winning, son? I don't know. I have no idea. Somebody give me the comms on fucking potato. Are we winning? Are we beating him? Yes, I'm up against the potato. Shocker. We are beating him. Still hasn't updated his P&L. Well, I decided to trade the micros today instead of the minis because fuck it. No, I can trade minis, but I can only trade one mini, and with my style of scaling, it makes more sense to trade micros, but problem is it's just not that much, you know. Hydra P&L? No. I want to get in his head. He can't fucking touch this P&L. He's scared. This motherfucker's scared. He's got a lot of Spud lying about his P&L. Yeah. Hey, Nick, you potato fuck. You're fucking finished. Get in the fucking oil. I don't know what I say with a potato. How can you insult a potato? It's the most efficient way to insult a potato. I'm gonna turn your ass into French fries, bitch. I'm gonna turn you into an In-N-Out fries, the droopy ones. He's up 10K. Yeah, in your bra. I like how he's just trying to fucking throw me off now. He's up 2370. Yeah, for sure. I'd be watching me too. Shit. What do you think we're heading to? 925 and a half, obviously. Hold those shorts, baby. Obviously. You know? Obviously. $9.25 halves. Look at that thing. Look at it go. Look at it go. Look at it go. Right at the level again. Wow. They're just laughing and laughing over there. Hey, look at that. Where did we bounce, everybody? Where did we bounce? Where did we bounce, everybody? Is everybody paying attention? Straight G asked me, where should I cover? I said 925 halves. You're welcome. And it's free. I wish I had me when I first started trading, man. People charge for this. People charge $600 a month to be not even 1/10 this good. Yeah, the voice trader. That fucking cock-smoking voice trader. That fucker needs to pax it in. All right, Stuart. Hopefully you made some money today. Give it up for Stuart. Take it easy, pal. I'll see you tonight when we're streaming live with Rampage Jackson.
Anybody long our level of 925 halves straight to the next level of 973 quarters? Oh. Ha! 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 Yes, Rampage stream is today. Yes. Yes, I'm streaming. Why is this so hard to believe? I'm streaming with Rampage. Why is this so hard to believe, ladies and gentlemen? What is going on? What do you mean? What do you mean? Are you serious? Yes. Bum, 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 bum. That's today's date. That's the time it's at. For you to say Reese Phillips is legit is wild, man. Honestly, that made me lose respect for you. RP Profit's the definition of fake trader. Is he though? Does he sell anything? Does he sell anything? Doesn't he just like stream on Kick or something? You guys pretend like I do all this fucking research. If you hear me talking about somebody nonstop, like the guy who needs to pax up his things, that guy's a complete and total fucking scammer, douchebag, pile of shit, fucking clown. So I didn't know that. I don't know that he fucking sells about. My interaction with RP is that I've talked to him through DMs. See, these are things I don't know. There's certain people that I don't like that I'll talk about. The guy who needs to pax it in is one of them. That guy's a cock-smoking piece of shit. And I'll die on that hill. I hope I meet that guy in person one time, because I'll say it right to his fucking face. That fucking piece of shit. Unders? Okay. When I first heard Rampage, I immediately thought it was a poker image. No, it's Rampage Jackson, the UFC fighter. Why would someone lose respect for you because you chatted with someone? I mean, I talked to a lot of people. I wouldn't recommend. I mean, dude, they asked me, like, do you know about Reese Phillips, RP? And I was like, yeah, I talked to him. He's a nice guy. They're like, I lost respect for you, Rips. I don't fucking know. All right, man. Rampage is already pretty broke. His mom handles all his money. He's living off the $1 million Kit gave him and ended up giving 500 cards. What? I don't know any of this shit. You guys know way too much about these people that I know nothing about. By the way, nice PNC while we're yapping there. 50 puntos too. Wow. Ba-dum, ba-dum, bum, bum, bum. You know who I can't fucking stand? Somebody. New home sales, I think, are coming out at 10 in 5 minutes. Let me see. Oh, did I not pay the overs unders again? I forgot. Okay, 946. I think it's the unders. Can do another one here. Bum, 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 bum. Should do a Rampage teaching you to fight next video? Yeah. Hell yeah. I used to get in a lot of fights when I was younger. I was a scrappy little fuck. Not proud of it or anything, but street fighting, I guess, is different than actual fucking rolling around on the mat with other dudes type shit. Some people like MMA a little bit way too much. A little fucking zesty. How large of a move do you look for? It depends. I mean, I'm looking at market structure and market profile. Yeah, I don't, dude, trust me, I don't go looking for fights these days. Are you shitting me? Yeah, fucking right. I do not go looking for fights these days. That's the last thing I do. Life is great. Not fucking going around looking for fights.
Get in a fight now, you will get sued. Yeah, I mean, there's just no point to be fighting. No point. When you're younger, it's different. Be a little hellion. Do crazy shit. Spud is up 227. Well, he's got some fucking work to pull, my friend. Used to fight in tournaments, what, like MMA? Mike Z, let's go. Slow that roll, baby. Nice stuff. Any chance Rip's key levels comes to trade evade indicators? Not that I'm aware of, no. Oh, that's funny as fuck if that's true. Where is this fucking... Oh, I guess, yeah. Oh, shit. Oh, that's funny as fuck. This dipshit turned off his bots. Oh, this fucking cock-smoking dipshit finally turned off his view bots. Oh, you suck dick. Fucking loser. Oh, God. I hate these fucking cock-smoking fucking wannabe fake-ass fucking clowns. Bro, I used to stream to 20 fucking people. Dude, that guy tried to fucking use religion and like, oh, let's all pray. And dude, the same fucking thing as packs it in. These fucking douchebag losers that fucking use the Lord's name to try to get them views. Please, Jesus, can you please bless me with a bigger bank account? I would love that, Jesus. That's not how religion works, you fucktards. Please, God, please bless me with the biggest riches. That's not how it works. That's not how it works, buddy. Fucking retards. That shit fucking tilts me like no other. Like, you're gonna fucking pretend that you're religious to try to use it to your advantage and dupe people? Fuck you. Fuck you. When you were trading your real live brokers and showing statements every day, I knew you were an OG. Thanks, man. Is that really how you found me, JT? I feel like we've been hanging out a lot longer than that. I feel like you were hanging with me before that. That's why I super can't stand some of the... Yeah, dude, it's fucking disgusting. You can tell the guys that are completely phony with it, too. I don't try to push my faith on you. I freely talk about my faith. I have no shame in my faith, but I don't try to push it on you. Never would. Not my style. It's never gonna be me. Sorry. But I'm a God-fearing man. I'll never stray away from that. God-fearing man, big on my faith, love my faith, lost my faith at one point in my life, couple points. Would be nowhere without my faith, but I'm not gonna push it on you. Should we blow his chat? No, dude. The guy's a fuck. We did that last time with his view botting, and he had his mod banning all the ripsters. Fucking dipshits. Oh man, I hope Sputnik was short into these moves. That'd be lovely. It's gotta go down. Come on. But you're never gonna tell me what faith he was pushing on you. Always say truth. Fine. What are you talking about? Dude, FSP charges for a course? Does he actually? Does FSP charge for a course? Are you shitting me? What do you think the guy actually looks like, by the way? Oh my God, he does? What a pile of shit, bro. Oh my God, what an absolute cocksucking pile of shit. By the way, FSP, if you ever see this, step to me, my boy. Fucking come and visit me anytime in Vegas. I'll tell it to your fucking face, you dumb bitch. You fucking retard. Suck my dick, you cock-smoking loser. Pull up to Vegas any fucking time you want, you little bitch. I'll fucking say it right to your fucking face. Imagine what that fucking loser looks like, too. This guy fucking... You could see his playbook from the Jump Street, bro. You could see his fucking playbook from Jump Street. Coming on with an AI photo that looks nothing like this fucking piece of shit. Bro, I can't stand that there's people out there like this that dupe people. This is what I hate. There's people out here that fucking dupe people and they try to take your fucking hard-earned money. It's fucked up, man. I fucking hate it.
It pisses me off. Like, bro, you see how passionate I fucking hate it, bro. These fucking pieces of shit are fleecing you. Fucking makes me so mad. Fucking God, it makes me so mad. Now he's looking for a fight? Nah, dude. I just know that fucking retard is like, dude, that guy probably can't even afford a fucking Spirit Airlines flight to come and see me. Fucking piece of shit. Fucking scammers, course seller, view botting, hoe ass, bitch ass, trick ass, piece of shit. Trick ass fucking hoe. What did he do? He been fucking view botting, bro. I fucking hate view botters. These fuckers been view botting. This homie went, dude, he was on Kick one time and like his view botting thing went out of control. He had like 4,000 viewers and his chat was moving like fucking. Oh my God, yeah. Fuck. I'm not gonna give them any more attention. Fuck these people. How are we doing against Spudnik? Are we still in the lead? I hope Spudnik is still listening to this on loudspeaker. Fuck shit, cock smoker, motherfucker, cunt, balls, wieners. Dude, imagine Tradeify TV. Let's go live over to Rip's stream and see what he's talking about. It looks like he's doing some market analysis. Cock, balls, boner, shit! Ripsy is so religious. Yep. And God forbid I have fucking faith, right? Don't be talking shit about my shit like that. Fuck you up, son. It'd be an episode. Someone on Top Step TV had your stream. I forgot to mute it. Dude, that person would be getting fired. You're fired. How do you feel about people with faith or without faith? People can do whatever they want, man. I'm a libertarian at my heart. You know, I do whatever you want to do and however you want to do it, as long as you don't fuck with other people. There you go. That's how I feel about shit. Do whatever you want, however you want to do it, as long as you're not fucking with other people. And if you're trying to fuck with other people, get the fuck back in your lane. How do I find your levels, Rips? There should be a post on my Instagram. It's all free. If you ever see something where there's like a price tag attached and there's my name around it, it's fake. Okay? It's right here. It's on my story. Here, I'll show you how to get it. All right, so here's what you're gonna do. Instagram.com/RipsTrades. Boost your content and ads, man. No, I'm good, thanks. We are natural, baby. Where am I? Okay, so on your mobile, there's a little button down here that says Rips Nation. You can tap that, but click my face. Hey, look, I know that guy. I have a lot of, by the way, my content team posts 5 shorts every single day. We have a lot of content, and it's I promise you, it's worth your time. It takes a minute to watch this stuff, and if you enjoy it, you know, tap the heart, leave a comment, whatever you want, right? We put a lot of effort into the content, and look at that. We're at 59,000 followers now. We started with 0. 59,182 followers. We started with 0. Proud of our content team. We've been really pushing on it. Anyway, you tap my face. This is my story. The way a story works, if you're not familiar with Instagram, the way that a story works is that every single day that I post to this story, these posts only last for 24 hours. After 24 hours, they go away. You can see how long ago I posted this, 22 hours ago. Okay? Every single day, this is all updated. And it's not only just trading stuff. This is where I had dinner last night. That's the Lake of Dreams at the Wynn. That is the most beautiful woman I've ever seen in my life. Unbelievable. And then, you know, some food shit. Here you go. Want the free levels for your trading? Tap join channel on your mobile device. There you go. There you go. Tap join channel on your mobile device. Bang. There you go. Okay, 1 second. I got to take a break here from one little thing here. Okay, let's see here. Where is... Okay. Take a little break here. I got to see this. Would you guys be mad if I paid the overs just to spite this fucking piece of shit retard? Would you guys be really upset if I just paid the overs? Can I just pay the overs one time? Would you guys be really mad? Can I please do it? Just to fuck this guy up? Like, this is so annoying. Please? Can I please do it? Can I please pay the overs? Can I just do it? Can I just pay the overs, please? Just one time. Just drive it home. I mean, it is the majority of you folks. It would be a nice little mulligan for most of you. Do you know what I mean? It would be a nice little mully. Rip Smart goes, not fair, boss. All right, let's see. Was it the overs or the unders? Let's see first. I wish I could just exclude that guy from getting paid. I don't understand the spamming thing. All it does is upset and annoy me. It's just annoying as shit. Okay, 10:06. Oh, look at that. 10:06. It was the overs. All right, I'm going to pay the overs. It was the overs. I can't. Why are you guys telling? It's the overs. It was the overs. Guys, it was the overs the whole time. It was the overs the whole time. All right, it wasn't. Sorry. What the hell? It was unders. Dude, look at the guy still. Look at this fucking guy. What the hell? It was unders. Like, bro, no way. I couldn't tell that you wanted the unders to be paid. By the way, this chat history will remain throughout the entirety of your chatting history. So when you go to redeem points for that beautiful SF90, which, by the way, if you're new here, these are the channel points, right? You can redeem it for an SF90 Spider. That's the best one, 690 million points, giggity go. But, you know, like, when it comes down to it, here's the thing that will happen, right? He's gonna like, imagine like he's like, oh, I need a Lucid account really, really bad, right? I need a Lucid account like super fucking bad, Ripsy. Like, Ripsy, please, can I have a Lucid account, pal? Oh my God, he won't be able to redeem it? No way. Oh no. Say it ain't so. Not like this. Not like this. Not like this. Oh man. Not like these. That was actually AJ from Lucid saying that? AJ's not Indian. I don't get the joke. What am I missing? Oh, because he would be trying. Okay. See, retard brain this morning. I'm retarded. Spud is up $60. Well, it sucks to be him. I'm just gonna stay in his head with $700 of profit. You know. I shorted the fucking bottom again. Time to fuck off for the day. I'm on the wrong side of the market since my first trade. I'm sorry to hear that, man. It's like that some days, brother. All I would say, though, and I'm just trying to be helpful, all I would say is, and I'm sure a lot of people will agree with me in chat, if you're using the RIPS levels, you will run into that situation a little bit less. Right? Because to be fair, we did reverse directly on the level. So I would just throw those on your chart. And if you're not in the pocket, do what you're doing today. Lock it up. That's it. You're making the right move right now. I'll tell you that right now. You're making the right move right now. Hey, Rips, I'm a little late here. How'd the WSOP go? We're waiting for the final edits. I think it's very good. Oh, excuse me.
This PA is a little tricky today. Stick with the rips levels. I agree. I mean, listen, I have nothing to sell you with the levels, right? I don't make any money by being like, hey man, I want to help you use the levels. I don't make any money from that, right? There's no money being exchanged. This comes from me being like, I want to help you. Like the levels are there. I'm trying to help you. I don't make anything from pushing on these. Like there's people out there that are incentivized, but they're trying to push nonsense on you that they're charging for. You can't really tell if it's a good thing or not. I'm giving you these things for free and I'm showing you that they work and I want you to use them to help your trading because I want to see you guys winning. That's it. Why don't you put your Instagram link on YouTube? Is it not? What do you mean? Is it not? Let me see. Go to my YouTube channel right now. What's up, Alex? How are you, buddy? Great name, by the way. I love that name. It is on. What are you talking about, brother? It's literally right there. Rips on Instagram. What are you talking about? Holy boner! Holy shit! We can only hope Sputnik was short. The war is over. No, I don't know. I have no idea. Holy fucking bullshit. Wow. No, he's long? No. Waiting for the headline. U.S. and Iran reportedly still waiting final approval from President Trump. I don't know who reported that. Axios? You fucking cocksmore. No, that's Iranian press again. Fuck you. I don't believe it. Once bitten, twice shy. I don't believe it. Sorry, I don't believe it. Fuck. Was he actually long though? Yeah, man, he's low-key cooking with full port. See, now you've revealed yourself. Now you just come across as... I thought we had good rapport. Here. He's not full port long. Now you're fucking with me. Is it Axios? Oh, it is Axios. Son of a bitch. It was Axios. Fuck. I thought it was Iranian press. It's fucking Axios, dude. Well, I don't know what full port is, but if it was my position, I would be full port. Yeah, well. Yeah, no, guys, look at, I have my reporters in the field. I have my actual moles in the field. He wasn't long. You guys are so mean. Like, the fuck? Where's this hate come from? What did I do to you besides fuck your mom on a Tuesday morning? Jesus Christ. Where do you think you came from? What's the big deal? Why is there so much hate? Come on. I gave you the gift of life. All right, we're taking it too far. Leave my mom alone. I won't. I can't. She's too good to me. He was long on micro? Why is... Okay, I'm getting mixed, conflicting reports right now. You dirty lot. I'm reporting everything in ribs. I don't know what to think anymore. I'm just so confused. I don't know what to think about you guys anymore. See, look at this. Look at this shit. Actually sweating my ass. Yeah, he is jumping ship. That's right. Hey, listen here, you potato fuck. Yeah, no, don't fucking ban him. Don't ban Alex. Alex is chill. Fuck that shit. You fucking love Alex. Stop being a fucking Fairweather fan, you fucking potato fuck. Good comms, Alex. Good comms. Yes, my name is Alex too. That's why I like the name. You're goddamn right. It's not what it looks like. You guys are funny. Do you still use the levels when it's doing this or too? Yeah, I mean, look at the levels right now, brother. Go look at the levels. They're insane. Ripsmod, I need you to do better infield reporting here. I need you to get in that ass. I mean, yes, of course we use the levels. Look at how good they worked. Like literally, legitimately, like tagged the level and rejected at it. Like Jesus Christ, of course we're using levels. Yes, my name is Alex. Alexander. Alexander the Great, baby. You know who's the GOAT, by the way? You know who's one of the coolest people? See if we can get some brownie points here. But I'm just being factual here. But one of the coolest people that I've ever met in the trading world is Miriam. She is a legend. A true legend amongst scoundrels and nasty people. Miriam, you're a legend if you're watching. I'm streaming with Rampage this afternoon. This is funny. The split chat right now is just funny. Not gonna lie, I heard the name Rips before today, but I did check you out because of the potato stream. Nice. Right on. Thanks for being here. Yep. No, I'm watching. I Hold on. We got to hear this.
He's not like a fake dude. Like he is as real as it gets. He is exactly who he is on stream.
Talking about me.
As he is in person. And I gotta respect that because there are some people playing characters and they are not the same person as you meet them.
See?
Is that a reference to me playing a potato? Unfucking
No, you're
See? See?
I'm catching strays from my own people.
Friendly fire.
Unfucking real. Friendly fire, man.
Miriam, not you too. Oh gosh.
By the way, this is what I'm watching
This is
right
gonna
now.
be a good one.
This is my opponent in the Grand Cup.
So funny.
I'm excited to see this competition play out. It is. I will say, I'm kind of relieved not being in it. It was stressful.
Dude,
shit.
it's stressful as hell being in this.
Yeah, it's stressful when you're facing the best, my little potato friend. It's not stressful for other people, believe me. Like, let's be honest.
Hello,
If there's people that are matched up with like, imagine if you were matched up with a ginger clown, that's the fucking easiest cakewalk in America, right? But you're matched up against me, I can understand you be sweating balls.
Miriam moving like prime Knicks fans.
Holy shit, that's so funny.
I do have mine for cat on, so.
Oh, we're kind of matching. Look at that. See that? Miriam, look at it. We're matching hats.
Shit.
Kind of. I like green though. Green's one of my favorite colors.
It would have been so funny.
I'm not that shit, sweetheart.
We should just invite him. Just invite him to the stream right now.
Can't wait to
Let's
take
go.
the 5 bands and throw
Let's
it out
do
the
it.
window. I don't even need it. I'm gonna burn that 5K after I take it from you.
You can invite him.
He said he's gonna burn the 5K after he takes it from me.
I'll take you out to dinner, all right? Some respect.
You can eat mashed potatoes together.
You know what? I'll be down if you want to.
Don't forget to hit that like count, guys. I know there's over 800 viewers watching right now, so I know we can do it.
If you want to, we can make it very
555.
interesting. I got an extra 5K right here, buddy.
For the Spuddy Rippy.
I got an extra 5K.
Yep.
If you want to throw a little bit more cheddar on this thing, I mean, it got at least 5K. If you want to double the stakes, we can do an extra 5K if you'd like to. It's your call.
Oh, he's got an extra 5 bands.
Yeah, let's do it. Extra 5K on top. What do you say?
A little bit more cheddar.
Yeah.
Hold on. 1 second. 1 second.
Here he goes.
Let's see here. This is where they need a break.
Alright, hold
They
on.
can't hold
They're like
on it.
anti-ing. They're anti-ing.
Hold on.
What is he doing? What is he doing?
What is happening?
Can we get some crazy W's in the chat? Can you guys spam W's in the chat right now?
What?
Hold on. Hold on.
Yes.
Sorry, buddy.
Oh my God, he's not a potato this whole
I just
time.
got wads of 100 just sitting
Oh
around.
my
Hold on.
God.
Let's see. Let's see.
He doesn't even know how much he's got.
I don't know how much I got, dude.
Let's
I
go
know how
band
much
for
I got.
band,
I got a bunch
baby.
of hundreds here. I got a bunch of hundreds here.
What is
Yeah. Yeah, let's go.
I actually just full screen my shit.
Just made it rain on your desk.
I literally got hundreds all over my desk right now.
Perfect. Let's throw it on. Let's double it. Let's make it an extra 5K on top.
That's at. This is all, literally all the casino.
This is so
Perfect. And then you can come out to Vegas and then we could race for like another 50K. Eh?
We should bring Rips on. We should invite him on right now.
This is
Ask him
hilarious.
if he wants to
That would
join.
actually be really funny.
Someone go telephone that to him right now.
I'm watching.
You just watch your stream.
I'm
Rip
literally
us up.
watching. I rudely have Kane's face covered. Hold on. Let me fix this. There we go. Now we can see beautiful Kane. We should be trading this, but this is way more fun.
Oh, okay. Oh no, we don't know.
That's
We
funny.
don't know. Oh, Kane, your short's cooking.
Oh, he's trying, yeah. I wasn't even looking. I was too busy watching Rips. I was trying to get in on the action.
This is actually a fun round. Yesterday I was stressed out facing my other guy, but this one's actually.
At least share your P&L because you can see my
Okay, wait,
P&L.
Sounds like he might be down to join.
Yeah, I'm down to join for sure. But I got to know what the P&L is.
Bring him on. Ripsy.
Oh shit. Little Ripsy.
I mean, how do we do this?
I'm not sharing shit.
Okay, hold on. I'm coming in. Hold
I'm not
on.
sharing shit of my P&L.
I'm coming in. Hold on 1 second. I'm coming in.
Wait,
Hey.
can you text me what you're at?
I'm coming in right now. Fuck this shit. I'm coming in. Where is the fucking link here? I'm coming in this shit. Hold on. No cussing? Fuck that shit. Come on. Yeah, right. I don't know if this will work or this is gonna fuck up my camera or not. Let me see. Hold on. Damn it. I knew that was going to fuck it up. Hold on. Let me try this. Do. Look at that. 1 second. Let me fix this. Okay. Hold on. All right, hold on. All right, so I'm not going to be visible on my stream for now, but see if this works. Yo. What's happening? What's cracking? Hold on, let's see if I can get this. Yo, what's up? What's happening? Hold on. Let me see if I can get the audio fixed. I'm going to be right back. I got to switch it over to one thing real quick. All right, 1 second. Yeah, I'm going to make it so you guys can hear them too. That's what I'm going to do. All right, this should work now. All right, you guys hear him on my stream? Yes? Okay, cool. What's happening? Holy shit. 12 grand. I don't believe you for some reason. Well, how much? What are you really at? Let's hear the actual score. That's not more than me though. I'm up. I'll tell you, I'm up $701.50. That's what we're up right now. Just the NASDAQ, baby. By the way, great to see you, Miriam. I heard you had some nice things to say. I appreciate you lying to your audience like that. That's so nice. That's so nice. It's unbelievable. I want to fix one thing here. Hold on. Let me see if I can fix this. My output, audio. You guys should be able to hear them now. Okay. That should be good now. I think my stream can hear you guys now.
Amazing. Amazing.
Fire.
There we go.
So what
Perfect.
Do you have a certain strategy going into all of this? Or are you just sticking to what you know?
You know, listen, I saw who I was matched up with yesterday, and I was just talking shit the whole time. Can I swear on the stream? Can I say fuck, shit, piss, cunt, cock, motherfucker, all that shit?
This is a family channel.
Yeah, why not?
So.
Okay. So I was matched up against this guy yesterday, and his fans were like talking a bunch of shit. I don't even know who this person is, right? And his fans were coming at me talking a bunch of shit, and they had everything in the world to say, and then lo and behold, he lost like 40 grand, or no, lost like 10 grand. 8 grand, something really bad, and I made like $1,100 or $1,500. So I took him behind the woodshed and blow his head off with a shotgun. It was fantastic. It was amazing. So
Nice.
yeah, it was epic. So to be honest, it was a walk in the park. And then I saw I was matched up with an outlaw, and then I was like, oh God, please don't be Kane. Please don't be Kane. Please don't be Kane. Please don't be Miriam. Please don't be Miriam. And then I saw it was Nick. I was like, oh, thank God. This is perfect.
Oh, man.
You see, this is the secret, by the way, to broadcast television. You glaze the 2 other hosts, and then you put down your opponent. It works every time.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
I'm going to be really looking. Chat, should we buy a Neutronium pack later today with Rips' 5K? Is that what we should do?
Never going to happen. No, I was saying to my chat, what we could do to make it interesting. How far are you from Las Vegas, by the way?
I'm in Chicago, so I'm a quick flight.
Okay, well, you know what we could do to make it a little bit more spicy? We could add some money on top. Gambling's illegal, of course. But yeah, we could add some money on top. And then you could come out here. We could shoot a little vlog. We could race some cars. We could play some poker,
I'll drive you over. I'll be your designated
That sounds
driver.
like a great time.
Hey, there you go. And we could, have some friendly wagers on top of all that. It could be a fun time.
Man.
I could live in a casino for about 48 hours, so I'm in.
Okay, perfect. Yeah, I mean, I think that's something that we ought to set up with the team here. It'd be a lot of fun.
We can make it
do
happen.
it.
We can make it happen.
Well,
Nick was just making it rain.
I saw that. Jesus, I can't believe they sell prop money on Amazon still. That's insane. Hey, so I was curious, Mary, how are you doing in the cup today? Talk to me.
I got taken out, unfortunately. I got taken out. So
What platform scammed you? It had to be like a Trade of 8 issue or something. There's no way. I'm sorry, but I just don't believe that there wasn't a platform issue.
It's one of those where I was actually up. I was up like at one point I was up like $4 grand.
What are you doing?
Rips, I asked myself the same thing. I don't know if you know, I love me a good short. And I saw that drop happen, and I for whatever reason, I was like, do I take this right now?
Yeah.
But I was looking for longs, like a you know, I'm like looking for areas of liquidity to take long.
Of course.
And it quite frankly ripped me. So I was sitting there trading the chop, and it was unfortunate that I ended up giving back my profits, but I got taken live with Tradeify, so I will be trading.
Oh my goodness. Bang. That's amazing.
Bang, bang.
That's incredible. You know, I had the good fortune of being taken live with Tradeify, like 6, 7, 8 weeks ago. And then I use this platform called Tradeivate. On my stream, we call it Tradeovades because it's terrible. And the copy trader, could you imagine this? You load up Tradeivate, you set up your copy groups, you press the button, and the copy trader doesn't work. No way. You're kidding me. No. Never once have I ever seen that in my life. Shout out to Ninja Trader, though. Kane, I see you, buddy. Shout out to Ninja Trader, the Tradeivate team. God bless them. They're the greatest. But no, in all reality, what was crazy is that I blew my accounts. And because of the great rules at Tradeify, I was able to, 4 weeks later, get back into the evals. And now we're back fighting the good fight. I am 2 days away in my Lightning funded accounts right now from getting a $15,000 payout, 150K account. So fingers crossed that I don't fumble the bag. I don't want to fumble the bag. I don't want to pull a Spudnik and fumble the bag and blow everything right now. You know, that's what they call it still, right? They call it pulling a Spudnik when you just lose. Is that they still call it that, right?
Typically associated with massive come-ups.
Oh, I see.
Like, literally like Giga Chad, you know, $1,000 wins, like shit like that. Yeah.
Right.
Stop pulling a Spuddy.
So wait, hold on. What's going on with you, Kane? How are you doing today in the challenge?
Oh, brother, I was short overnight and it was good, and I left my my stop in. Came back to the desk to being down.
No.
Yeah, it was just a silly mistake.
God.
Completely my own fault. So.
Yeah, I mean, we tagged below 790s in the overnight session. What was your entry? Were you ES or NQ? You're an NQ guy, right?
NQ, yeah. So let me look. I was short this morning, basically off that 15-minute high up here. So it's like 994, and then basically I'd put my stop at break even. So I came back to the desk being in a 130-point losing trade. Yeah. So yeah, after grabbing a 90-point winner. So
God, dude, that's so annoying. Yeah, so. I mean, I liked the look too, especially after yesterday's sell-off. But obviously now knowing what we know from the report from Axios, I mean, dude, if you can't see that there's insider trading going on at this point, it's time to open up your eyes. Like, that's why we saw buys and such aggressive buys off rip today. Basically, somebody knew something overnight that we were going to get that Axios report today, which is why we saw it go to the buy side. Because yesterday's report, of course, was negated, which is why we saw that sell-off. So, yeah, that's unfortunate. I really like the look of the shorts, especially given that the macro was telling us that. The PCE print today was just completely nonsense. And I even said it on my stream when I saw people buying it up. I said, you know, this is not buying because of PCE. They're squeezing people for some reason. And now we come to find out this Axios report. Do you guys think this is going to stick?
Nah.
I hope not.
Yeah.
I hope not. I'm
you're
not
a
even
war hawk, Miriam. She said, no, keep the war on. Let's go.
Keep it going.
I got stock in Raytheon. Keep this thing rolling.
Man, Rips, you have no idea how much I've hated trading at these all-time highs. I don't know how you feel about it. It is honestly a nightmare for me.
It's not fun. You know what's been funny is that I've been, well, not really funny, but I've been very sparingly picking my spots in my cash account. I've been, the last big trade that I had in my cash account was a couple weeks ago, and the big trade that I took this year was a few weeks before that. And I've been very, very cautious in entering because, like, even yesterday, I was trading some prop accounts yesterday, and I was short into the move, and then we got that tweet, and it just rocketed things straight up. And it's just like, you have to be so on guard in these types of markets, and you should know by now what you're kind of getting into as a trader. You should know exactly what you're getting into. So it's definitely a market where you have to be on your toes. You have to be using stops. And if you don't know about stops in the sense that, like, you think that they're this fail safe, like, stops get blown through all the time. People seem to think that if you have a stop at 100, you're going to get filled at 100. That's just not the case. It doesn't work like that. And even with simulated capital, you know, you're not going to get those fills every single time. So it's definitely a market where you have to be on guard. But it is, I will say this, for traders who've been trading for 5 years or less, it is really good that you're being blessed through the fires right now in these markets because they're so difficult. They're extremely difficult, and you will come out the other side of this being a better trader if you can stay in the game for long enough.
1000%. I've been saying that too. I mean, new traders have kind of like the best of both worlds in the sense where, I mean, you're in a rough market. Like, this is one of the hard, I know you've been trading for a while too.
12 years. This is my 12th year.
Yeah. 12, wow. amazing, by the way. Congratulations
Thank
on
you.
that. But it is, yeah, you've seen so many, you too, Kane, you guys have both seen so many different market cycles. And I mean, it wasn't even you probably were maybe starting to trade around the time or right after when even like 0 DTE options were a thing, or even like when the first micro came out, right? So you've seen all of that, and all of that has changed the market climate as well, right? We've
100%.
got more options traders in, we have more, a lot of volatility coming in. We got a war, we got a, interesting president. There's so much, right? So you have to be aware of like the fact that this is not the market cycle that we had in 2016 and
Oh God,
2018,
no.
2020. I mean, we're seeing so many different things.
2016 was the introduction for me to the Trump markets, right? For a lot of people, and learning, that is what got me to be invested into breaking news headlines and trading around breaking news. I was mainly an equities trader during that time, and especially during COVID, but that was what introduced me to the value of having access to up to the second news, breaking news, because I would see equities move. Like Apple would release a headline, or Apple would have a press release, or, whatever, some big stock, some big company would have some type of press release, and it would be insane. And I wouldn't know what was going on until I learned how to read breaking news headlines. And it got me infatuated with trying to understand the bigger macro picture, the macro environment of what was going on. And then COVID happened, and COVID was insane. And you were talking about 0 DTEs. We saw, all of that happened during COVID, where Bill Huang was buying completely far out of the money strikes of names like Tesla and NVIDIA. Well, not as much as NVIDIA back then, but they were buying out of the money strikes for a lot of these names. And it's like, you could wake up on a Monday, 9:30 would open, buy a weekly that expired on Friday, never check it till Thursday, and look at your portfolio and be like, you're shitting me, really? You're going to give me this money? Are you? Oh, this is great.
Yep.
And
it was a wild time. I say this all the time because that's how I started trading, as in options. And I started in 2019. It was the same thing. I would wake up, I would trade Amazon, Spotify, the trading desk. Those were like my top 3. And I would just press calls, go back to sleep, wake up with a couple bands, and I'm like, wow, this is the easiest thing I've ever done.
Yeah.
And then 2022 happened, and
that's what got me comfortable. 2022 wrecked a lot of people, first of all. Like, a lot of people felt so bad during the time because everybody's so used to just printing money 19 through 21, and it's just like end of 19 and sort of 21 was where it's like that was your sweet spot. Basically 2020 and 2021 were just like unbelievable years. 2022 came around, and you saw the tide kind of pulled back out, and you saw people who was wearing their bathing suit at the time and who was nude, stark naked on the beach. And there's a lot of people that were just sitting there and like, I thought I knew how to trade. It's like, no, dude, when the market goes in one singular direction, it's really not that hard. The other thing was I saw a lot of small cap traders that got buried during that time because most of them were just shorting these shitters that would go straight up in the morning with all this volume and volatility that was driven by like people like Ross, Warrior Trades, Cameron. And you'd have these big pumps, and then these guys would just be like, it looks like the top, I'm going to short that. And you'd have epic amounts of forgiveness, even if it went higher, it was always going to end the day lower. So you had a lot of people who were just kind of like guessing and not really knowing what to do. For me personally, and I'm sure for you, it was a great time to really expand our arsenal of plays and our understanding of the market. How did you feel about it?
Yeah, I mean, it was a great time to learn. I think that was when, for me, I started with my own capital. I did not start trading prop firms until very recently. Even futures for me has been kind of a new thing. So I got very humbled quickly because, again, that was my own hard-earned cash that I was trading. So I operated in a very different psyche than I even do now. And so that's why I say, even for new traders, I think it's an amazing time because the barrier to entry is literally zero. I mean, you have no excuse not to come into the market, start to learn, have the chart time, and really have basically little investment into your trading career. We all know, we all started with our own money. So it was a very, like I said, very different time. I've lost thousands of dollars that, if I would have started now, it probably wouldn't have been the case. But at the same time, you are dealing with different market climates. So it is, I will say, for new beginners, definitely keep going. This is as hard of a market as I've seen in the past 6 years that I've been trading. So if you can get through this, you can definitely get through anything coming forward for you. So keep going if anyone needs to hear that. But Spuddy, are we going to be doing a giveaway?
Yeah, we got a nice little giveaway lined up. We're gonna drop a $150K lightning funded banger here because I mean, Confidence. And the keyword, you got to type it once,
Wait,
not
wait,
twice.
hold on,
Type it
hold on.
twice.
If anyone wants to participate in this, you got to hit that like button on YouTube. So make sure you hit the like button, okay? Give our two guests some love here, okay? We got Rippy on, we got freaking Kane on. So hit the like button. Make sure you listen to the keyword that Nick's about to give you because you can't participate until you hit the like. So go for it, Nick.
Yep. All right, keyword is going to be, it's all one word.
If you guys want to
Spud
participate in
makes
this,
rips for 5K easy money.
Never mind. I was gonna say if you guys want to participate in this, go on
You're
over.
muted, it's even
No,
better.
I know. I'm talking about stream. I was like, yeah, if you guys want to go over and do this, just fuck that shit. We're not doing that anymore. Right when I heard the
I did not even
keyword.
know that's the
Go
keyword.
ahead, spam the chat. Thank you. Yes.
You're an evil man. You're an evil man.
I'm the wrong man with power. That's what it is.
Oh God. Oh Lord.
Oh Lord. Well, here we go. We're ripping the chat right now.
All right, guys, I'm going to get back to my stream. I appreciate you guys having me on. Best of luck to you, Nick. I appreciate the challenge, and I wish you all the best in this challenge, in this tournament.
Rips, Godspeed.
Ciao, yeah, you
Thank
too,
you for
brother.
joining.
Thanks so much, guys. See ya.
All right,
See ya.
take care.
Bye.
That's it.
All righty. There we go, folks. That was fun. Just a quick little pop in. Nothing wrong with that. Hold on. Let me get my camera back on here. What was the guy's name from Chicago? That's Spudnik. That's the person I'm currently challenging in the Grand Cup. That's the guy. Yeah, that's why we say he's going to be a French fry because he's a potato. That was fun. That was so fun. That's always a good time. See, I like hanging out with people like that. Like, you guys hear me talk a lot of shit about like other streamers or other traders. Those are all good people. I vibe with those types of people. And no joke, I've met Miriam, I think, once in person and a few times now over streams. And she is a good person. I've talked with Kane a few times as well. Good person. That's the first time I've interfaced with Nick, and he seems like a really lovely fella. So. I had horrible experience with Tradeify support, missed a cut because they could not give me a functioning account after 10 plus days. What? Rips, would you go on the Tradeify pod if you got invited? Sure. I mean, I think I was on the very first episode of Tradeify TV. But yeah, I mean, oh wait, the one she's doing in person. Yeah, for sure. I think we talked about it last time we were all at dinner together. I met with the Tradeify team before the Grand Cup. Miriam was there. There's a bunch of people from the Tradeify team there. And I think we had talked about that if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, I totally would do it. Their support sucks. I have only had a good experience, but obviously, you know, like I'm also showing up on their stream. So I'm not going to know what your support experience is like, but I'm sorry to hear that, you know, sorry to hear that. They said I bought too many accounts this month and won't let me buy anymore. Well, I mean, that could be a good thing. I don't know. Rivers, you brought too much energy to that stream. They might offer a big contract. I like being on my own stream. I've been offered contracts to go stream on other channels and things like that. I like being on my own stream. I was on Top Step TV for far too long, in my opinion. It got to the point where it was, you know, I wasn't enjoying it as much as when I first started doing it. I like being on my own stream, and I like, you know, jumping into other streams every now and again. It's nice. It's fun. It's very fun. Spud went silent as soon as you went in. That's funny. Dude, he's a nice guy. He's a nice guy. Also, we were playing some 4D chess there. You see, when I'm on the show, he's not trading. We're going to remain in the lead. That was some great volatility he could have been catching up on. A little 4D chess move right there. Never let your enemy know what is coming. Art of War, baby. Sun Tzu, suck it. That was beautiful volatility. And the enemy was distracted. You see that? You see that? You see that? T. Price says you were too good for Top Step. Nothing on those guys, but you brought in next level to Top Step. It's okay to, I mean, whatever. I had a good time. I like all the people. By the way, Coach Jay, Dakota, Michael. I'm trying to think who else I've actually met. Dude, Hogue was a G. Like, I like these people at a personal level. You know, I don't pay attention to how these people trade or anything like that.
But at a personal level, oh, hello, it's all fake. Let's see what they say now. They're gonna come out and be like, dude, the report has been vetoed by Trump. Let's see. Is there any bandits you don't like? I'll leave that one up to your imagination. I'm sure you can figure that one out. Hope you dropped a bag of dicks on. Well, I just hope that our $700 is enough to hold here. Dakota's a little infuriating with his boxing shtick. I mean, let the guy live. Everybody's so critical of people online, dude. Let the guy live, you know? We all want to hate on something or somebody. As long as somebody's... Dude, I just got an email. What is this? Get this shit out of my inbox. Yes, designing the invisible. You know why they say this? Oh, see, they dox me. Dear Alexander. Designing the invisible. Yeah, do you know why they're designing the invisible? Because nobody's gonna fucking buy it. The car's gonna be practically invisible because nobody wants to buy that piece of shit. Good Lord. Unbelievable. Stop sending me pictures of actual shit in a toilet. God, what an absolute joke that car is. It's so shameful. It is so goddamn shameful. I gotta see this. Hold on. Ferrari Luce body kit. I gotta see the redesigns of this. It kind of looks like what series would this be? Is it a GT1 car? What series would this be? One of my racing fans in here. What series? What type of car would this be? What series would that be? It's like the one that they do like the Audis. That would be a GT3 car? You think so? What the fuck is that? Hey, buddy, it's better than the original. Okay, GT3, yeah, okay. I mean, it's better than the original, man. The original looks like a bucket of piss with a side of bleh. It's better than the original, I'll give him that. I mean, dude, that's far better than the original, believe me. That's far better than the original concept. It's better than the original. Come on. It still looks like shit, but it's better than the original. Come on, you gotta admit it's better than the fucking original. It's just dog shit, brother. That's what Epstein drove. Dude, it's such a pile of shit. It's just like, I don't know what the fuck they were thinking. Like, actually, like, how did it go through that many people for them to approve that? It's insultingly bad. It is like, and okay, here's the cars that Ferrari was designing. Hold on. Before that. Hold on. Okay. I mean, this is just your classic. Okay, this is when Pininfarina was still involved. I mean, that's sex on wheels, buddy. It's so gorgeous. I had a 488. I never had a Pista. But like, dude, I mean, look at the design language there. Like, that is just such a sexy car. It's unbelievably good looking. Like, you look at that car and it's like, wow, sports car boner. I love it. You look at that thing. I mean, come on. I leave that up on the screen for a little bit longer. It's just so beautiful. So gorgeous. It's so beautiful. It's beautiful. Love it. .488 is pretty. 458 is a real boner mag. I had a 488 or 458 Spider was my. Let's see, 458 Spider. I had a red one too with black seats. I mean, this is literally my spec of. This is exactly my spec that I had. Like, the wheels were slightly different. My wheels were slightly different. I'm pretty sure, but yeah. That was my 458 Spider. Same. I had red stitching on the prancing horses on the headrest. Let me see if I can find a picture of the actual 458 Spider. Yeah, my wheels were slightly different. This is when I dropped it off to get clear broad. But those were my wheels. Slightly different. I miss that car. It had the triple exhaust. That was pretty funny to have the triple exhaust. That was my very first Ferrari. Very first Ferrari. The very, very first one ever. That was it. I love that car though.
That's a beautiful, beautiful car. 458 Italia, then 458 Spider, then 488 GTB, then 488 Spider. Have I ever driven an F40? No, never driven one. I've seen them in person. I've never driven one. Never been driven either in a F40. Yeah. Like the Ferrari yellow. Yeah, you know that Ferrari, people don't know this actually. Everybody, if you ask like, hey, what is Ferrari's color, right? What is the Ferrari color? Everybody's gonna say it's red. Duh. Like Porsche has silver. Ferraris are red. Nope. The Ferrari color is actually yellow. Giallo. That's a fact. People don't know that. Yellow is the actual Ferrari color. It's a beautiful yellow too. Dude, growing up, yellow was like my favorite color. I mean, I used to love the 430 too. F430 Spider in yellow. Oh God. Like, dude, this thing is just nasty, brother. Fucking nasty. I'll show you a picture of this. I mean, you like fucking cars. Thing is fucking disgusto. That's the actual Ferrari yellow right there. That's your classic setup right there. That's an F430. Those cars, that was the one that came out right before the 458 Italia. And owning one of these cars, it's why you never saw a lot of these on the road, by the way. And then when the 458 platform came out, it was much better. The reason why was because the 430, and before that they had the 360, and before that was, what was before the 360? What was before the 360? Why can't I think? Anyway, 360, 430, 488. The 430 was the last car that they offered before 355. Thank you. Thank you. I don't know why I couldn't think of that number. 355. Thank you. That was the California Cruiser. So, yeah, so Ferraris, you didn't see a lot of these on the road. And the reason why was because they didn't have a great warranty. So if your car had to go in for service, you're paying tens of thousands of dollars back then. Back then. So ownership was not realistic for people unless you're insanely wealthy. The 458 platform came out. This was the first Ferrari I ever owned, was a 458 Spider, which was an iteration past the 458 Italia. The 458 Italia came out, then the 458 Spider, and so on. The 458 platform came with a 6-year warranty when you bought it. So all of the maintenance was covered because they built such a bulletproof engine. And that's why I originally even got into Ferrari ownership, was because of the warranty. No joke. It's what got a lot of people into it, because owning a Ferrari before then was like, cross your fingers, hopefully nothing goes wrong, you know? When I get my points, what color can my Spider be? There's only one option. It's going to be Rosso Dino. Unfortunately, it's the same one that's sitting, the model car that's sitting right there. That's a 2025 SF90 Spider in Rosso Dino. You will get the full-size car, not the model. You got a silver 360 mod and a model and a yellow poster. Nice. Yeah, silver I would reserve for Porsches. Aston Martins are green. BMWs are blue. Mercedes is silver, right? Mercedes Racing is silver. That's what I'd be using. All right, y'all want to do a giveaway for Alpha Futures, full allocation? We can do that if you guys are interested. I'd love to do that if you guys want to do that. Let's do it. Drop the Alpha link. Are you still watching, Ripsmod? Yeah, you are. Okay, here's the link for Alpha. There we go. There's the link. There's the link. Click the link. I'm going to give you a keyword to type in. Full allocation is coming to somebody. It's coming to somebody special. I'm only doing this one giveaway, though. I promise you this. I'm only doing this one giveaway, and that's it. I'm not doing the DJ Khaled shit. Ripsy needs a nap. I need a fucking nap before the Rampage stream. All right. Okay, the keyword, the password is... It's not going to be nipple. The password is... Hold on. The password is... Okay. The password. Let's see here. I can't believe we didn't do the hype train today, by the way. What the hell? Nobody did the hype train. That's crazy. I didn't just realize that right now. Okay, let's do the giveaway. We'll do the hype train later. Well, hopefully you guys will do hype train tomorrow. The fucking hype train is awesome. I love the hype train. Okay, go to your alpha dashboard. If you don't have an alpha account, you can't win. Like, legitimately, you can't win if you don't have an alpha account. Okay, I want you to click on profile. I want you to click on profile. I'm gonna hide the chat. The first 100 people that type this in, the first 100 people that type this in are in the giveaway. Beyond that, I can't help you, okay? The password is gonna be where it says, you gotta go to profile and then go to account details, personal information. It goes first name, date of birth, country, blank. First 100 people to type this in. You know what? YouTube was kind of lagged, so we'll let it run a little bit. I noticed YouTube was lagged there. It's not fair to the YouTubers. Sorry. It's fine, though. Everybody got it right. The word is city. The word is city. C-I-T-Y. Type it in once. You don't have to keep spamming it. You just type it in once to register yourself for the giveaway. That's it. The more you type it in, the less that happens. It doesn't do anything. You don't get extra entries. Doesn't do anything. And then for real, I'm out of here. Unless we do a hype train, but I really doubt we're going to do a hype train at this hour. I've been streaming for 3 hours. I'm tired. I need to work out, and then I need to sleep, and then I need to get ready for Rampage. Rampage Jackson, by the way, we will be streaming live with Rampage Jackson today at GlobeX Open. You do not want to miss it. It's going to be on my stream. It's going to be on Rampage's stream. Do not miss it. It's going to be good. It's going to be fun. You are giving up on Spud's side bet. Brother, if that's bait, we got to try harder. We got to try harder. Spud is at 1,400. Suck a dick, he's not. You guys are fucking terrible baiters, bro. You guys are like some of the worst baiters in here. I'm just going to tell him he's at double whatever you're at, man. That'll get him. At least pick a number that's more obscure. Be like, he's at 1365. I'd be like, oh, wait, is he? What time is the stream? GlobeX Open, 6 p.m. Eastern, 6 p.m. Eastern, 6 p.m. Eastern. All right. This is for a full allocation on Alpha Futures, ladies and gentlemen. Here we go. Good luck to everybody. If you are stop trading, this Spud could take you easy. It's not how it works, my friend. I'm going to be off stream and you don't even know what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be clicking the shit out of these buttons. He's done. He's done for. I'm telling you right now. He's fucked. He's fucked. TDC for life. TDC for life. There he is. It's you, my friend. It's you. What's your name on Instagram or Twitter, please? TDC for life, TDC for life, TDC for life. All right, let me send you a message. I'm gonna send you a message right now. This is the only time I'll ever reach out to you without you reaching out to me. It's the only time it's ever gonna happen.
Congrats to you. Okay, just respond to this message right now. Please respond to the message. You got to make sure you respond to this. If you don't respond to this, I know the levels are nuts, right? If you don't respond to this message, I have to give it to somebody else. I see you typing. Make sure you get it right though. Don't fuck it up. Don't fuck it up. Hey brother, fourth time. Fourth time what? What are we doing here? Fifth time, what are we doing here? Why are we counting the amount of times we're saying hey brother? Got it, thank you brother. It doesn't matter uppercase or lowercase, by the way. I'm sending that to the team right now to get you full allocation. Give me a moment. Okay, there we go. Congrats to our big winner, TDC for life. I thank everybody for tuning in today. I really do appreciate every single one of you. I do. That's gonna be my show. I will see you guys bright and early tomorrow.
Another one.
Why do I get there's a feeling like there's this overweight fucking producer that watches my show and just waits for me to be about to leave and then he just shouts out from the corners.
Another one.
Like, brother, can you stop? I'm tired. I want a fucking nap. Can we just wait? Can we wait for later?
Another one.
All right, I'm doing one more. That's it. Really though, I'm stopping after this. What do you guys want? You want Apex, Lucid, or Tradeify? Apex, Lucid, or Tradeify? Lucid, Tradeify, Lucid, Tradeify, Lucid. Okay, do Lucid. We'll do Lucid. I'll give you one Lucid Pro account, okay? And then I'm out of here. For real, I'm out of here. All right. Here we go. Patricia really wants a Lucid account, apparently. All right, I want to see you win then, Ryan. Okay, here's the link. I could have done Apex no fee, but nobody wanted it. I don't know. All right, click that link. I'm gonna give you another keyword. All right, the password for this one is go to the website. Go to the website, scroll down. Under step 1, it says no hard blank rules. Type in that word. Perfect. There we go. Sweet. We're all in there. Okay, here we go for our one lucky winner today. Let's go. Who's it gonna be? Let's see. Come on. Rip's the best. Great name, by the way. Teacher's pet. Love it. The DJ Day Trader? The doctor? Doctor? Oh my gosh, it's Life with 12 Dogs again. Oh my God. Life with 12 Dogs does it again. Oh my goodness me. Unbelievable. Sorry, Doctor, you got hosed, buddy. It's all right. Doctor's crushing it in their last giveaway account right now. They sent me a message the other day. They're crushing it. What if they don't claim? Okay, there they are. Oh my goodness. They almost missed it. Congratulations to you. Life with 12 Dogs. Let me send this to you right now. Said 100K Lucid Pro coming your way.
Let's make it rain, baby. Is that what you want? You want a Lucid Pro, right? If you want something else, let me know. Is a Lucid Pro good for you? Rips, the new 5-pack Apex EOD have no activation fee. If you select that as an option, correct. That's cool. Okay, gotcha. He says that's cool. I like people like that. Nice and vibey, just smooth, baby. Just so relaxed. So relaxed. All right. Thank you, everybody, for tuning in. I really do appreciate it. I'm going to send him his account right meow. Lucid Pro, 100K. Coming your way. Cool. All right, everybody. Thank you so much. I appreciate y'all. I'll be back again in just a few hours, trading live with Rampage Jackson from the UFC. We'll be live here on my stream, kick.com/rips. Also be live on kick.com/Rampage Jackson. I'll see you folks tonight for Globex for that stream. Take care. Thank you. Love you. Bye. See you. Bye.